Imagine yourself stranded in the middle of the ocean, with nothing but a small raft and your wits to keep you alive. It's a daunting thought, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it is possible to survive. The first step in survival is to secure a source of fresh water. This can be done by collecting rainwater using a container or by using a solar still to extract water from the surrounding sea. Next, it's important to find a source of food. Fish and other sea life can be caught using a spear or fishing line. It's also important to keep an eye out for any nearby islands or ships that may have supplies. In the event that you are unable to catch food or find a source of fresh water, it's essential to have a way to signal for help. This can be done using flares, a mirror, or a radio beacon. Another important aspect of survival in the middle of the ocean is shelter. A simple shelter can be built using the materials from the raft, such as a tarp or canvas, to protect yourself from the sun and rain. It's also important to stay hydrated and protect yourself from sun exposure. Drink plenty of water and wear protective clothing, such as a long-sleeved shirt and a wide-brimmed hat, to shield yourself from the sun's harmful rays. Navigation is also critical in the middle of the ocean. Use a compass and map to determine your location and plan your route to safety. It's also important to keep an eye out for any potential hazards, such as storms or currents. In the event that you are unable to navigate to safety, it's essential to have a way to signal for help. This can be done using flares, a mirror, or a radio beacon. It's also important to stay visible by keeping a bright color on your raft or clothing. Surviving in the middle of the ocean is a challenging task, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it is possible to make it through. Always have a plan, the necessary tools, and never give up hope. In addition to the basic necessities of water, food, shelter, and navigation, there are several other things to keep in mind when stranded in the middle of the ocean. First, it's important to have a basic understanding of first aid in case of injury. Have a first aid kit on hand and know how to treat common injuries such as cuts, burns, and sprains. Secondly, it's important to be able to repair your raft or other equipment in case of damage. Have a basic repair kit on hand and be familiar with how to fix common issues. Lastly, it's important to take care of your mental health while stranded in the middle of the ocean. Being stranded in the middle of the ocean can be a highly stressful and isolating experience. It's important to keep a positive mindset, have a plan, and be prepared. Surviving in the middle of the ocean is a challenging task, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it is possible to make it through. Remember, always have a plan, the necessary tools, and never give up hope.